Hello all, my name is Krishnak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this particular video, I'm going to discuss about impact of hiring uh, due to this recent events, due to this pandemic event that is going on. And I hope what I'm talking about everybody knows, right? So in short, if I tell guys, there will definitely be an impact on hiring itself. Less job opportunities will definitely be there. There are multiple reasons because of that. Just understand, if I'm talking just about IT companies, I'm not talking about other companies or other industries. I'm just talking about IT companies. In IT companies, people work in service-based companies, they work in product-based companies. Now, if I talk about service-based companies, they are completely dependent on projects, that comes from various clients, and their clients may be from different part of the world. Now, currently, this particular event has impacted the whole world. If I talk about US, the numbers, it's quite huge. If I talk about European countries, if I talk about UK, so these are the countries that are got impacted by this particular situation, right? So because of that, now if I talk about service-based companies, most of the clients are from that side. They are dependent on those kind of projects. Now, if that lockdown event has happened over here, definitely the projects will not come over here, and that in turn will impact the jobs over here in India itself, right? Now, if I talk about product-based companies also, product-based companies sells their product, right? They sell their product, and currently in this lockdown situation, they are not able to do that, right? And because of this particular situation, more hiring will not happen because the company will not invest more money in research, in some additional work, in creating some additional projects. They'll definitely not put that much thing, right? So definitely people, if I talk about the job opportunities, it will be less for at least 1 or 2 months. And again, you need not get demotivated, guys, because this is a situation which is not in our hands, right? You can see people helping, countries helping each other in this particular situation to come out of this particular situation, right? So definitely this is not in our hands. We should have an aim that yes, we should continuously learn. We should be ready that after 2 to 3 months, definitely this problem will get solved. Even IMF has declared, India International Monetary Fund, right? It has declared that there'll be a recession this year, which will be bad than the 2008-2009 recession, right? And this is going to happen, guys, because understand, every countries in this world is affected by this, right? There's a whole huge loss with respect to different companies going on, right? So in this particular situation, yes, we should be strong. Do not get demotivated. We have to keep on working hard. We have to keep on, and always remember, there is every phase in life: happy phase, bad phase, sad phase, right? That will just go away. It may take 1 month, it may take 2 months. So definitely that will go away itself. Now, considering this, guys, there were also some bad news that I have heard. There were some of my friends who were working in US, and due to this particular pandemic situation, they were actually laid off from the companies, and currently they are actually looking at the jobs, and one of my friend was telling me that they had just 6 months of time, and if they don't get a job, they have to come back to India. So this was one of the situation in India also. There were some of my friends, some of my subscribers who were actually pinging me in LinkedIn saying that, Krish, we were laid off from these companies due to this current pandemic situation. But one thing that I observed, that these guys they were not demotivated by that, because they knew that this is not in our hands. Okay, the companies are trying their level best. I should really thank all the companies, in India, in US, in everywhere. They're trying to, help the people as much as possible. Let it be work from home, let it be, regarding the growth of the company, they are fine with it. They're focused more on coming out of this particular situation. So definitely a thankful note to all the companies who are doing this wonderful job, who are able to handle the situation even during this kind of situations itself, right? This lockdown situation. So amazing thing. Again, by this we should definitely learn that, guys, we as a human being, in this current situation, countries are helping other countries. If I talk about India, so many people are trying to help, by donating in PM Cares Fund, trying to help out people, because this situation is more bad when we compare about workers who are actually working for daily wages. Just understand their situation, right? So this is just a bad phase, and probably it will be getting over within 2 to 3 months. The main thing is that you should not get demotivated. We as a human being should always keep on trying things, so definitely the situation will come out. Now if I talk about some of my friends were also saying that, currently in this particular situation they also did not get any hike, and probably this is the most baddest thing, that this particular problem happened between Jan to April month. Usually most of the companies, the hike cycle usually happens in April, right? So in this particular situation they also were not able to get hike. I was also not able to get hike. The companies are not, I think most of the companies are not giving hikes to the employees, but it is fine. Everybody is fine with that. They are supporting the companies. This is amazing thing that I have seen, right? Not only that, companies also deducting the salary, and trust me, we cannot complain anyone. This is the situation right now. We have to deal with it. We have to support the companies to grow ahead, and probably guys, try to help each other out. Try to help people by providing their knowledge. Try to motivate them. This is the time, again I'm telling you, this will just pass by. You'll not ever know. For the people who have got laid off, I'm extremely sorry about it, but just don't give up the hope. For the freshers who are looking for a job, or who have actually got the job but they have not got the joining, don't worry. Keep learning. Improve your skills. Focus on improving your skills, because just after 2 to 3 months the situation will go off, and again everybody will rise. So again, one more thing guys, I think I have to upload the SVM part 2 video. I was not able to do it because right now I'm pretty much hectic or busy with my office work, and as I said you that works always come first. Probably I'll be uploading in the weekend, so you don't have to worry about it. And yes, this was all about this particular video. I hope you like it. Please do subscribe to the channel if you have not already subscribed. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day ahead. Thank you one and all. Bye bye.